The one on Netflix, America, Spice Diana. Showtime! Come on! Free York City! Say what you got, want it! So when I saw what you want, come on! If you ready, girl, you know I'm ready. Want it! You're ready, you'll be ready when you're ready. Come on! You're ready, girl, you know I'm ready. I'm ready when you're ready. Come on! Say, ever ready, so now I'm ready. Come on! You're ready, now you're ready when you're ready. Take a select, but I am ready. Let's go! Mama, take a look at what you do. The way you wanna pass my brain. I wanna do with you. Let's go. Come on. Say it. Como para tu musasanye. Every time I say it to you, sing it with me now. And you see how great it's every say I'm your mama, so bien Nico. You mean so much to Martha. You are the real fans of Martha Mukisa, and she will never forget you forever. I want to thank my Spice Gadgets for coming also. I made sure I sponsor at least Bafani Spice Makumi Atano wa Jeff Waneno, because that's what every young artist needs. Support. So keep supporting Martha until she gets to Lugogo Cricket Oval, and she will. She will. and she's gonna make it. Because she's an amazing talent, she's a strong woman, she's everything. Stand with her. Toyongeyo, if you support Martha Ngogabangina imiyane Martha Nyaka Jonna, let me see your hand up in the air. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Let's get it. Thank you. Come on. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Let's sing. What's it? What's it? Move over to